Okay, yeah, I've started the recording now. Yep. So, uh, okay, so to give you a little overview of how we will be proceeding. So let me give you some introduction of what we are going to do. Okay, so we will be starting, you know, with an overview of what is Apache Hadoop, and right before that, a little overview that we'll be having today is about distributed technology, cloud, and Linux. And I'll also explain you how you can set up the Linux virtual machine either on the virtual box that some of you have, and also on how you can do that on your Amazon account on the AWS. So I'll be explaining that also. There is a free tier availability on AWS also. So either ways you can do to connect, but I'll be more comfortable with the AWS thing because VirtualBox has, like, I think some of you were trying uh, to install on VirtualBox. So the thing is, you'll have to